It's been a while since I've uploaded, but things have been pretty hectic, and as you could imagine, getting packages in the mail is quite difficult right now. The USPS is very slow, and that is the preferred method of shipment for most people who I am randomly buying parts from off of the internet, mostly because it's the cheapest. As you might know, and you could have seen in some of the videos, the front of the 88-89 Honda Prelude bumper has specific cutouts for fog lights. And these fog lights have become increasingly more rare and more difficult to find over time. Well, a few weeks ago, I found a mint condition pair of fog lights on the good old interwebs, and this is my unboxing video of said fog lights. These are to be in, as I said, relatively good condition, and hopefully we will confirm that here once I get them open. Packaged pretty well, it's a good sign. I like a seller who takes care of the items. And here comes the first one. Oh yeah. Just a small scratch on the lens here. Might be able to get that out. But they look to be pretty decent. They even have this plastic cover here that can be sometimes difficult to find. This outside trim piece. It's difficult to find one that's not broken, at least. Maybe some light sanding on the... This is actually a glass lens. I might be able to clean that up. Clean the whole lens up in general, polishing and whatnot. So, yeah, that's going to be, I believe, the driver's side there. That looks pretty good. Let's get this passenger side open. Oh yeah, that one is in excellent condition, but you can see the tab broken, or the corner of the lens, not the lens, but you know what I'm saying. This outer bracket piece here has got a chip in it, which is a little disappointing. Maybe we could fill that in. Someone would never be able to tell, but we'll see. The lens itself is in great condition. I might be able just to source that plastic cover, but every time you find one of these little parts like this, you know, 10, 20, 40, 60, $100 later, you know, $100 here, $100 there, we're getting up there in the cost of how much money I put into this car already. So yeah, these are the fog lights. I finally have some free time. I have been so busy. I just started a new job, and I am also in grad school right now, as well as doing a graduate TA position, grading papers and whatnot. So the Prelude has kind of been put on the back burner, at least for a little while, but I've still been ordering parts. You can see the fog lamps are just behind me, and about a week ago, maybe two, I received something else in the mail that I have yet to open, and I've been waiting so long to record this video to open this box so I can show you guys what's in it. This box is from Magdeburg, which I think is Germany. I really don't know where it came from. And we're about to open it, and I'm really excited. I've been waiting, like I said. Let me get a knife. This razor blade will do. I'm really excited about this one, guys. It's something I've always wanted to get for a car that I've had, and something that I've never gotten for a car that I've had until now. Nice and packaged pretty well. According to the original owner, the guy I got this from, it is going to need a little bit of work. And you might be able to guess what it is by now. Be really careful here when I'm opening this. Oh man, he did mention that it would need a little bit of work, but oh my gosh, would you look at that. Now I'm gonna be completely honest, I do not know what car this is off of. Some older style Honda in some fashion from some country. I can't really tell you, but I mean, just look at it. Nice wood grain, Momo OEM steering wheel in some fashion or another, OEM I guess. Oh, I'm really excited about this one, guys.